Before we get into the build, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, JLC 3DP. Almost every part you see in this project was printed on my own 3D printers. But every now and then, I work on projects that need larger parts, specialized materials, or a level of manufacturing that's hard to achieve in a home workshop. That's where JLC 3DP really comes in. Their capabilities go far beyond what most people expect. They can produce parts that are over 1/2 meter in size, and they offer a huge range of materials, including standard plastics, engineering resins, and even metal. So, whenever a project grows beyond the limits of desktop equipment, it's nice to have a reliable manufacturing partner ready to take over. I also use another division of the company, JLC PCB, where I regularly order bare printed circuit boards. They also provide PCB assembly, professional 3D printing, and precision CNC machining, making it easy to get almost everything for a project from one place. If you're developing your own hardware and need almost any custom mechanical part or a printed circuit board, there's a good chance JLC can make it for you. Just upload your 3D model or Gerber files, choose the manufacturing process, set the required options, and place your order. Depending on the complexity of the project, production usually takes only a few days, while more advanced jobs are often completed in about a week. I've been using JLC PCB long before I started this YouTube channel, and I think that says a lot about how much I trust their service. So, thanks to JLC 3DP and JLC PCB for supporting this video.